Alright, here we go. 2007 Ford Focus sound demo. Rockford Fosgate. Rockford Fosgate T1's first gen, rated at 600 RMS, running 850 RMS. Soundstream D-Tower Series DTR1 1700 watt RMS monoblock. Sealed pre-made box, no dynamat. Also running factory alternator. And here we go.
It's the champagne pouring, big joint blowing, burn bait sipping, no blunt smoking, bad bitch getting big and she got some friends with her. I take them out, pour shots of liquor, drinking out the bottle, smiling in all my pictures. The marijuana rounds and the hoes follow like Twitter. Nigga, you know everything Taylor. Jokers to the bar, you ain't got no paper. That's the rules. Hot fuck, sloppy truck when I'm I be going hard. Roll the camera like it's like a movie. I'm the star. Wish it wasn't my position. You broke to play the part. Of course, I keep some bad women with me in the bed, sipping rose.
And there you go. If you don't recognize that song, that's Wiz Khalifa, On My Level. I'm about to do a ultra low bass song here. That concludes the demo. And that last song was with all windows rolled up.